one of the things I really like is that you're leveraging advanced technologies such as blockchain and other things surrounding that into solving some really big problems that exist out there. Now, one of the things I wanted to do here is I wanted to run down a little bit of the couple of the main things that you're doing because I want people to understand that.
Sure.
And I understand you have two brand new contracts that you've announced, one yesterday and one today. And maybe you could just tell us what those two are, and then I'll drive down
absolutely.
and understand.
So SkyThread, we're here thrilled to be able to announce today our two first launch partnerships or commercial partnerships. Yesterday, we announced the launch of our commercial partnership with Air France KLM. Air France KLM was with us from before day zero, working with us as a launch collaborator for our first product called SkyThread for Parts, which is a track and trace solution built on the SkyThread blockchain. And today, we're really excited to announce our launch partnership with AJW. Both Air France KLM and AJW have big component repair services. Air France KLM has a big MRO, that's an airline-owned MRO. AJW is a big independent MRO. What's great about launching with these type of customers is that we can go and deliver value to their customer networks very, very quickly, as well as deliver value to their supply chain networks. You know, companies that we're working with, such as Parker Hannifin, Parker Aerospace, or I guess today it's Parker Megan.
Okay, good.
But yeah.